Okay, I know that was a lot to take in. Just to kind of go back and review here, folks, what we did is we went through and we installed our operating systems, just using some defaults, made them so they could communicate with the other servers as well as each other. We also installed Kali and got it configured. You got your Linux on, didn't you? We also went through and disabled and enabled those features so that we could make sure that our tools will work appropriately, and that when we try to do a ping or if we try to use SNMP, it's going to respond correctly to us, as well as we created those user accounts. And then if you remember, we went through and did that housekeeping where we went through and reactivated server 2012 R2 so you could see that pop up and the results of not having it reactivated. Again, it'll shut off within an hour. We also went through and created our snapshots so that, again, if we goof something up, no worries. I got a snapshot. I'm just going to revert these bad boys, and I'm going to be good to go. Now, again, you can use these virtual machines as is, or you can even expand on some of these labs. If you want to decide you want to go through and install SQL on one of the server boxes, you're more than welcome to do that. Use this as a test platform for your own environment so that you can make sure that you're not susceptible to any type of attack. Okay, guys, listen, next we're going to get into looking at information security overview, basically so that you guys understand the fundamentals of information security. I hope you join me.